welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, you're always welcome here. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing a review slash unboxing on this wig. Yes, it's a wig. This is a wig, you guys, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can put it on and style it and all that good stuff. This wig is from Ft.Samsbeauty.com. All the information you need about it will be down below in the description box. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and share. And you guys, have you seen my new intro? Why is no one talking about my new intro? Is it not the cutest thing ever? You guys follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. No, don't follow me on Twitter. No, don't follow me on Twitter. But follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok. Don't follow me on Twitter unless you want to see me cry all the time. I'm just kidding. No, seriously, don't follow me on Twitter. Okay guys, so this wig is from Ft.Samsbeauty.com. It's by Ali Hair. All the information you need on this wig will be down below in the description box. The brand I believe is called Diva Queen. How cute is that? So basically this is supposed to be like a bob wig. It's a half wig. This is the kind of wig that you can sew in. You get what I'm saying? So you can sew. Look at me thinking like, what am I supposed to do? Like, how am I supposed to make this look realistic? How do I hide the elastic? This is in my brain is working overtime in this moment, trying to figure out why is there elastic here and what am I supposed to do with it? Not realizing that all I have to do is cut it off. What type of genius am I? Seriously, guys. Never have I felt so stupid in my whole entire life. And then a light bulb went in my head and I was like, oh, I think I'm supposed to cut this off. Anyway, this is probably one of the easiest wigs I've ever dealt with. It's quite thin. I'll say that it's quite thin, but it gives that like professional look, that sophisticated type of look. It's supposed to be easy. It's manageable, and it's very much so affordable, especially since it's I believe it's human hair or virgin hair, but for the quality of the hair, it's very affordable. I did wear it for a couple of days. I unfortunately didn't vlog it, but I wore it for a couple of days, and I will say that even though in the beginning it didn't shed, after a while it started shedding. Like throughout the week, it was shedding a little bit, and I noticed that. And like I said, the hair is pretty thin, so you have to braid your hair super thin. This is me talking like what's happening, but back to what I was saying about how easy it is. It's so easy. It's crazy how easy it is. This is one of the kind of hairs that you just I stopped for a second because I was making a TikTok on this hair, but you see how like my hair I just it was blow dried and like straightened like the top part, so you see how easily it just blended in, and I haven't even really flattened it out yet. I got the wig in the color 1B, so it made it super easy to blend with my hair. If you like this kind of style, if you're a working gal, if you're looking for a work wig, an everyday type of wig, you know what I mean? This wig is definitely everyday friendly. It's work appropriate. It's sophisticated. Like her name literally should be sophisticated because she gave me such a boss babe vibe. I just straightened my hair a little bit, flatten it out on the top just to make it blend with the hair more, and it blended so beautifully to a certain extent, of course, because I didn't want to put too much heat on my hair because I'm like, no ma'am. But you see the blend, like it's gorgeous. And then I desperately wanted to do bangs because middle parts give me heart attack, but that didn't work out. The hair, like I was saying, is super soft, really easy to manage. The clips feel so secure. This is big head friendly. This is, I believe, even more so made for people with big heads than rather than small heads. So if you got a big head, hey, cheers mate, this one is for you. Okay guys, but how cute would it be if I had bangs? Like, look at the vibes. Like, I'm actually tempted to cut my bangs just for this wig. Would that be crazy? Probably. Okay, so let me do my part again. You guys know I'm not a big fan of the middle part, but here we go. I could have probably put a little bit more heat on my hair, you guys, but I'm being very honest with you. Like, I have straightened my hair so much in the past 2 months where I straightened it twice. I don't think I can put any more heat on it. Plus, it already has like a little bit of oil on it, so I can't put any more heat on it. But you guys get the picture, like, you get the point. The hair is pretty straight to the point. You either like it or you don't. Like, this is one of the hairs that you buy out of necessity, because you know what I mean. Like, this is work friendly, everyday friendly, it's easy. This is for the people who don't really like to put a lot of effort into their hair. You just put it on and you go. It's really easy. The hair is nice texture so far. Haven't seen any shedding. It has that bold, you know, like cute little cut. Boom. If you want it to feel more secure with it, because you know, like mine, I only left hair on the top, but if you want it to do more styles where you like pin the hair back, anything like that, all you have to do honestly is just pull some of your hair out. But mine is braided and I'm not gonna pull, but you just leave some hair on the side and it'll be perfect. Like, you can do edges if you like. You can do pretty much anything with this hair. It's kind of like having a sew in, but not really. Also, the other really nice thing about it is that you can sew it in if you wanted to. Like, if you felt like you didn't want to take it off and on, you can literally just sew it on right here where the track's on into your braids, and you have a sew in. Literally just sew in with the leaf out and it'd be perfect. I feel like it's really, really everyday friendly. And this is friendly for the people who don't like to spend a lot of time on their hair, beginners. If you want cheap, like affordable human hair, this is 100% virgin human hair. Right now, I believe it's on sale on Sam's Beauty right now for $30. The last time I checked. Let me check right now actually. Here it is, $39.99. Originally the price is $59.99. I feel like that's good. Like, if you guys were to get it right now, it's on sale. Of course, if you get it at its original price, actually I feel like this is pretty decent for $59.99. But the fact that it's on sale right now is even a huge plus. I really like it. And then, like I showed you guys with the bangs, it'd be banging, banging. Okay, I like it. I don't know. You guys let me know down below what you think. Definitely give this hair 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh, I'm giving this hair 10 out of 10. But what I do want to say is I'm going to wear this hair out tomorrow and I'm going to vlog with it. So I guess I'll give you guys my final thought tomorrow. So I'll see you then. This is new hair. And it just came out. Oh my gosh.